The fifth question is cultural and social issues. Dr. Zakir Naik, what is the advice on combating cultural degradation while preserving Islamic values in Bangladesh? How should Muslims in Bangladesh address issues such as corruption and moral decline in society? How can you solve the problems of culture and social issues in Bangladesh? And he has pointed out two things about corruption and the moral values are declining. Allah says in the Quran in Surah Baqarah chapter 2 verse 188 that do not use your wealth as the bait for judges in order to eat other people's wealth. Here Allah is telling in a nutshell that bribing is haram. You cannot use your wealth to bribe the judges to give the verdict in your favor. So bribing is prohibited in Islam, and also talking about the moral values that are declining. If you follow the Islamic principles, what Allah has said, then inshallah the moral values will not be declined. If you break the Islamic principles, there will be problem. For example, the morality has declined. You see women in the Muslim country, they are freely walking without the head covered, they are wearing miniskirts, they are following the Western culture. So if you follow and realize, as Quran says in Surah Nur, chapter number 24, verse number 30, that say to the believing man that he should lower his gaze and guard his modesty. That means Quran, before talking about hijab for women, talks about hijab for men. And Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has given the guidelines. And if you follow the guidelines, inshallah you'll get success and you'll have the best economic system as well as taking care of cultural issues and social issues. So but naturally you should follow the dress code, that the Muslimah should be in hijab, etc. So you follow these cultural values and see to it that you don't keep anything which is haram. Inshallah, it will make you more successful in this dunya and akhirah.